Hey everyone, I'm Medha Agarwal, a partner at Redpoint. A couple of weeks ago, I put out a fintech market map and got a bunch of really interesting follow-up questions. We're going to continue to break down each of the subcategories to dive deeper and answer some of those questions. Identity, fraud, and risk infrastructure enables companies to manage bad actors on their platform. These tools help companies authenticate users, limit fraud, and enhance underwriting. The first wave of tools were bringing offline processes online. We're now seeing digitally native tools enabling net new capabilities like digital fingerprinting and crypto-native tooling that was just not possible before. I've heard a ton of investors say that this space is commoditized. I couldn't disagree more. There are pieces that I definitely feel are more crowded than others, but the needs of the customers continues to evolve and become more sophisticated. And I think we'll continue to see more and more tooling to better match those needs. I think most players today are starting with a very specific part of the customer's broader verification process. This is part of the acquisition or onboarding funnel where there are up to a dozen other vendors. The company that's going to be a multi-billion-dollar business in this category is going to expand from their initial expertise to add more modules over time and cross-sell them to its existing customers. The Sardine team is awesome in building very sophisticated tooling to combat payment fraud. Middex KYB, or Know Your Business platform, has done a great job of taking a manual, offline, and really inefficient process and making it accessible via API. My hypothesis is that being at the top of the funnel is the best place to be in order to expand your product offering, because these vendors are the ones that are going to collect the most data. I mean, they're literally seeing data on every single potential user. They are going to have the biggest base of data to leverage to create smarter products over time. I think the next frontier is better data sharing and more network effects in this space. Just like with FICO scores, if companies shared their data with each other, presumably it would help the entire ecosystem to share bad actors, best practices, and enable better underwriting. I'm excited for companies to be this connective tissue or platform that enables this to become a reality. As an industry, we've talked a lot about the next-gen credit bureau. While I've seen hints of this in alternative data, we haven't seen anything really hold a candle to the predictive power of FICO. At the same time, no one says, I love the credit bureaus, and I think it's the best we can do. It's just the best we have so far. I'd love to see someone really emerge that is a true challenger to the existing players and can just level up the entire industry.